probably
extra bread and baggies and I'll take one and sort of pack.
I'm afraid of, I don't know where I put it in my pack. I've got, unless I take out some of my crackers. So, are you making those tonight?
I'm making them now because I
You're making them right now.
I don't want to carry the peanut butter and the bread in my backpack.
Downtown Dahlonega to get to the park, you need to get on 52 and just go west.
52 west. 13 miles.
Is this marked? I mean, this 7 marked on 52? Can you find it? That's what I thought.
Would it? Well, yes, it is. Yes, it is. A few miles up the road, I'll be in Maine.
Yeah, a few miles, right?
Yeah.
About 2,200 almost.
22, and I'll be checking in every night on Facebook. So.
Wanderings with Wayne.
Wanderingswithwayne.wordpress.com.
Well, the four of us, that's Wayne, Jan, Pam, and I, are at Amicalola State Park, Amicalola Falls State Park. We're accompanying Wayne on the approach trail. Wayne tomorrow will be starting this through hike of the Appalachian Trail. So we're gonna hike, well, for now we're just doing the 1 mile from the arch to up the steps to the base of the Amicalola Falls, and then we're going to the lodge tonight. Then early tomorrow we'll accompany Wayne as he hikes to Springer. It's a beautiful day. It's hard to believe that earlier today it was raining pretty heavy, but the rains have moved out and it's blue skies now. Temps are dropping. It's going to be, I think, something like 26, between 26 and 30 degrees in the morning. But right now, though, it's just very pretty out. Pretty time of day.
All downhill from here. Hey, what happened?
Okay, this little creek here doesn't look like too much, right? It's only, I don't know, maybe 14 feet or so across at most, 12 feet across. Not very deep. Maybe in places approaching a foot deep. It comes this way, goes underneath this bridge here, and let's go to the other side and see what we've got. Well, there you go. A really impressive waterfall on the other side of that little creek, Amicalola Falls. It's about 6:50 a.m. We're just waking up at the lodge here in Amicalola, getting ready to get showered and then have breakfast and hit the trail. The temps this morning are supposed to be something like between like 26 and 30 degrees, and the winds are gusting pretty fast, pretty hard rather. I think they're supposed to gust up to upwards of 19 miles an hour today, so that's going to make it a pretty blustery day. But otherwise, I mean, as you can see, the sky is beautiful, beautiful day otherwise. Okay, I'm a little ways ahead of everybody. Just finished a moderately steep climb. But now I'm at this really nice level area. There's a campsite right there. It's still pretty windy. You should probably hear the wind in the microphone. The trail goes that way, so that's where we're going. It's a few minutes after 12, about 12:07 or so, and we're probably about, I don't know, maybe a mile and a half from the top up Springer. Yes, you can see there's some hoarfrost on the ground here, so the temps are still pretty cold out, and the wind is still blowing pretty hard, still blustery. Approaching the summit of Springer Mountain. Just maybe another 30 yards or so to go. Wayne, Pam, and Jan are just right behind me. I see some other people at the top there. How you doing? Wayne, how's it feel to have finished the trail?
I've made it all the way to the end.
Of the approach trail,
Yeah,
right?
under 6 months too. Thanks.